Nicholas Negroponte was born on December 1st, 1943. He is a Greek-American architect, best known as the founder and chairman of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology's Media Lab, and also known as the founder of the One Laptop Per Child Association, OLPC. Negroponte was born to Dimitri John Negroponte, a Greek shipping magnate, and grew up in New York's Upper East Side. He is the younger brother of John Negroponte, former United States Deputy Secretary of State. He studied at MIT as both an undergraduate and graduate student in architecture, where his research focused on issues of computer-aided design. He earned a master's degree in architecture from MIT in 1966. That same year, Negroponte joined the faculty of MIT. For several years thereafter, he divided his teaching time between MIT and several visiting professorships at Yale, Michigan, and the University of California at Berkeley. In 1967, Negroponte founded MIT's Architecture Machine Group, a combination lab and think tank which studied new approaches to human-computer interaction. In 1985, Negroponte created the MIT Media Lab with Jerome B. Wiesner. As director, he developed the lab into the preeminent computer science laboratory for new media and a high-tech playground for investigating the human-computer interface. In 1992, Negroponte became involved in the creation of Wired magazine as the first investor. From 1993 to 1998, he contributed a monthly column to the magazine in which he reiterated a basic theme, quote, "Move bits, not atoms." Negroponte expanded many of the ideas from his Wired column into a best-selling book called Being Digital in 1995, which made famous his forecasts on how the interactive world, the entertainment world, and the information world would eventually merge into one. Being Digital was a bestseller and was translated into some 20 languages. Negroponte is a digital optimist who believed that computers would make life better for everyone. However, critics have faulted his techno-utopian ideas for failing to consider the historical, political, and cultural realities with which new technologies should be viewed. Negroponte's belief that wired technologies, such as telephones, will ultimately become unwired by using airwaves instead of wires or fiber optics, and the unwired technologies, such as television, will become wired, is commonly referred to as the Negroponte switch. In 2000, Negroponte stepped down as director of the Media Lab. However, Negroponte retained the role of laboratory chairman. In 2006, Negroponte stepped down as lab chairman to focus more fully on his work with One Laptop Per Child, OLPC, although he retains his appointment as professor at MIT. In November 2005, at the World Summit on the Information Society held in Tunis, Negroponte unveiled a $100 laptop computer. The Children's Machine, designed for students in the developing world. The project is part of a broader program by One Laptop per Child, a non-profit organization started by Negroponte and other Media Lab faculty to extend Internet access in developing countries. Negroponte is an active angel investor and has invested in over 30 startup companies over the last 30 years, including Zagat's, Wired, Ambient Devices, Skype, and Velti. He sits on several boards, including Motorola, listed on the New York Stock Exchange, and Velti, listed on the London Stock Exchange. He is also on the advisory board of TTI Vanguard. In August 2007, he was appointed to a 5-member special committee with the objective of assuring the continued journalistic and editorial integrity and independence of the Wall Street Journal and other Dow Jones Company publications and services. The committee was formed as part of the merger of Dow Jones with News Corporation. Thank you for attending the English Easily Business English Lecture Series.